friends! Welcome back to MS Paint with Aadi. Today, I'm starting something super fun, a fruit drawing series. Guess what? I'll first draw my favorite fruit, and from the next episode, I'll draw your favorite fruit. So tell me in the comments, what fruit do you love the most? All right, let's begin with my favorite, watermelon. Let's draw a juicy, round watermelon. First, select green, your favorite shade. Add the same green to color 1 and color 2. Now, pick the oval tool from the shapes box and draw a nice big oval. That's our watermelon. Next, select the curve tool to make some dark green tiger-like stripes. Draw 3 to 4 curved stripes across the watermelon. For the stripes, use fill with darker green. Want to make a stem? Choose the curve tool, increase the line width a bit, and draw a small curve at the top, like a little stem. Make sure the outline size is normal to keep it clean. Now let's draw a yummy slice of watermelon. Select black in color 1. Choose the line tool and draw 2 slanted lines like the sides of a triangle. Use the curve tool to connect the ends at the bottom. Inside that triangle, add 2 more curved lines to show layers, just like a real slice. Now it's color time. Fill the outer layer with a bit dark green, the middle layer with light green, and the top layer with a bright red for the juicy part. Next, pick the oval tool again, with black in color 1 and color 2. Draw tiny sharp ovals on the red part. Those are the seeds. Make sure to draw the seeds, but don't swallow them, or else a watermelon tree might grow in your tummy.
Green and red, stripy skin, cut it open, fun begins. Tiny seeds, black like dots, juice so cool and sunny spots. Eat with fork, chew so slow, to the watermelon party we go. Sing and munch, giggle and chew, summer fun just for you. Summer fun just for you.
Our watermelon looks yummy, right? Don't forget to share your favorite fruit in the comments, and I might draw it next. Bye for now, and happy drawing, little artists!